Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some culinary history trivia. What ancient civilization used a clay tablet to document recipes? A. Ancient Egypt, or B. Ming Dynasty, or C. Mesopotamia, or D. Indus Valley? The correct answer is C. Mesopotamia. Which culture is credited with the invention of sushi? A. Japanese, or B. Thai, or C. Chinese, or D. Korean? The correct answer is A. Japanese. What type of cooking method originated in France and means slow cooking in water? A. Confit bain-marie, or C. Sous vide, or D. Sous vide? The correct answer is D. Sous vide. Which ingredient is known as white gold? A. Sugar, or B. Flour, or C. Salt, or D. Rice? The correct answer is A. Sugar. What fruit was historically known as the forbidden fruit? A. Fir, B. Apple, or C. Banana, or D. Pear? The correct answer is B. Apple. In which country did the carrot originally come from? A. China, or B. Afghanistan, or C. Italy, or D. Egypt? The correct answer is B. Afghanistan. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? A. Cilantro, or B. Tomato, or C. Onion, or D. Avocado? The correct answer is D. Avocado. What type of pasta is shaped like little ears? A. Penne, or B. Fettuccine, or C. Ravioli, or orecchiette? The correct answer is D. Orecchiette. Which spice is derived from the flower of Crocus sativus? A. Basil, or cilantro, or C. Oregano, or D. Saffron? The correct answer is D. Saffron. What is the traditional British dish consisting of fish and batter? A. Fish and chips, or B. Bangers and mash, or C. Ploughman's lunch, or D. Shepherd's pie? The correct answer is A. Fish and chips. Which cooking method involves using dry heat in an oven? A. Boiling water, or B. Steaming vegetables, or C. Frying pan, or D. Roasting? The correct answer is D. Roasting. What dessert is made by combining egg whites and sugar? A. Brownie, or B. Cheesecake, or C. Pavlova, or D. Meringue? The correct answer is D. Meringue. What grain is primarily used in the production of sake? A. Barley, or B. Rice, or C. Wheat, D. Corn? The correct answer is B. Rice. What dish is typically associated with Louisiana cuisine? A po' boy, or B. Jambalaya, or beignets, or D. Gumbo? The correct answer is D. Gumbo. What herb is known as the queen of herbs? A. Thyme, or B. Cilantro, or C. Basil, oregano? The correct answer is C. Basil. Which cooking style emphasizes local and seasonal ingredients? A. Culinary fusion, or B. Farm to table, or C. Microwave cooking, or D. International cuisine? The correct answer is B. Farm to table. What cooking term describes food cooked quickly with high heat? A. Stir frying, or B. Baking, or C. Grilling, or D. Steaming? The correct answer is A. Stir frying. Which country is famous for the dish paella? A. Mexico, or Greece, or C. Spain, or D. Italy? The correct answer is C. Spain. What dairy product is used to make tzatziki? A. Cream cheese, or B. Sour cream, or C. Yogurt, or D. Buttermilk? The correct answer is C. Yogurt. Which fruit was first cultivated by the Aztecs? A. Grapefruit, or tomato, or C. Blueberry, or avocado? The correct answer is B. Tomato. What dessert is known as Italian meringue? A. Biscotti, or B. Gelato, or C. Tiramisu, or D. Pavlova? The correct answer is Pavlova. What cooking technique involves immersing food in oil? A. Deep frying, or B. Boiling, or C. Steaming, or D. Sautéing? The correct answer is A. Deep frying. What bread is traditionally used for a Reuben sandwich? A. Rye, or B. Brioche, or C. Sourdough, or D. Ciabatta? The correct answer is A. Rye. Which fish is used to make traditional lox? A. Tuna, or B. Cod, or C. Salmon, or D. Trout? The correct answer is C. Salmon. What spice is produced from the bark of a tree? A. Oregano, or B. Black pepper, or C. Vanilla bean, or D. Cinnamon? The correct answer is D. Cinnamon. Which dish features Greek yogurt and cucumbers? A. Greek dip, or B. Yogurt sauce, or C. Cucumber salad, or D. Tzatziki? The correct answer is D. Tzatziki. What is the primary ingredient in hummus? A. Lentils, or B. Corn, or C. Chickpeas, or wheat? The correct answer is C. Chickpeas. What food item was primarily used in medieval England for sweetness? A. Molasses or honey, or C. Sugarcane, or D. Maple syrup? The correct answer is B. Honey. Which culinary technique involves steeping food in vinegar? A. Baking, or brining, or C. Poaching, or D. Pickling? The correct answer is D. Pickling. What dish is known for its layers of pasta, meat, and cheese? A. Ratatouille, or B. Crab cakes, or C. Sushi roll, or D. Lasagna? The correct answer is D. Lasagna. What cooking method involves using steam to cook food? A. Boiling water, or baking bread, or C. Frying pan, or D. Steaming? The correct answer is D. Steaming. What is a popular fermented drink made from honey? A. Kvass, or B. Cider, or C. Mead, or D. Kombucha? The correct answer is C. Mead. Which country is known for its coffee culture and beverages? A. Brazil, or B. Colombia, or C. Ethiopia, or D. Italy? The correct answer is C. Ethiopia. What common kitchen appliance is used for baking? A. Oven, or B. Toaster, or C. Microwave, or D. Blender? The correct answer is A. Oven. What pastry is filled with almond paste? A. Marzipan tart, or B. Danish pastry, or C. Almond croissant, or D. Frangipane? The correct answer is D. Frangipane. Which nut is used to make marzipan? A. Brazil nut, or B. Cashew, or C. Walnut, or D. Almond? The correct answer is D. Almond. What ingredient is essential for making bread rise? Baking soda, or B. Baking powder, or C. Yeast, or D. Egg whites? The correct answer is C. Yeast. Which animal produces a popular cheese known as chèvre, sheep, or B. Goat, or C. Cow, or D. Buffalo? The correct answer is B, goat. What type of meat is commonly used in coq au vin? Chicken or beef, or C, duck or pork? The correct answer is A, chicken. What type of desserts include crème brûlée? A, custards, or B, cakes, or C, cookies, or D, pies? The correct answer is A, custards. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.